Welcome, my name is Abaslim Joseph. This is my wiki, encyclopedia project. This is my index page where I have all the entries listed out. From here you can click on any of the entries and it will take you to the entry page. You can click on gates, it takes me to the gates entry page. Can click on any of them, so it's working very fine. You can also access the entries via the URL. Okay, so it takes me to the CSS entry page. You can also check Python, for example. It takes me also to the Python entry page. If a user tried to access non-existing entry, it creates an error. Okay, from here you can also create a new page if you want to register or enter this entry, so you can click and go here. But let's continue first. You can also search. Let's say I want to search for Python. You can click on this and it takes us to this result. You can also put like A and search. Okay, there are 3 results that has A as a character in them. You can click on any of them. It also takes us to the entry. Okay, so the search is working, and if I search for what is not existing, it tells you no result found for Z. Okay, so the search is working very fine. Okay, so let's check for creating a new entry. Let's say I want to create Markdown, and I also use the syntax for Markdown. Okay, so it's used with HTML. Okay, then I put the link HTML. Okay, and then save. Okay, so it has saved, it has created this entry. I can also click this and it takes me to the entry, the page for this entry. Okay, so it's working very well. I can also see it here on this index page. Okay, so it's working very well. And if I try to enter an existing entry already, let's check from here. So it pops an error saying that the entry is already existing, so it's working very well. We can also check for editing. We can also attempt to edit this. Okay, let's say we want to make this bold. We can make it bold. Okay, we save. You can see this HTML is bold. Okay, we can also edit this Python. We can edit this. Let's say we want to remove this, so it to be just normal ordinary text. Okay, we can save. You can see the web application, it's no more bold, so the editing is working very fine. Okay, it's working very fine. Then we can check the random. For the random, you can click on A from the random button and it will randomly display the entries. So it's working very fine. It's working very fine. Okay, so everything is working very fine. Thank you very much.